Today we're going to be doing an experiment called
the rock cycle. And in this experiment, you're going to need 2 crayons of different colors. Becca's holding them up.
She's got a pink and a green.
Pink and a green. We're going to need a cheese grater.
Kids, let a parent do this.
You're going to need either 2 paper plates or 2 pieces of like parchment paper that's flimsy. All right. You're going to need a plate to hold something hot. You're going to need some aluminum foil.
We got that right here.
All right. You need a hammer.
To hit stuff.
You need a candle. We got 2 tea light candles. You're going to need a lighter that an adult uses to light a candle. I got it. You got kitchen tongs. And you're going to need an adult. So here I am.
We might want to need an adult for this.
Gonna need an adult for this.
Because
all right, so what we're gonna do is we are going to peel the paper off of the crayons.
Okay.
Then the adult is going to carefully grade the crayons with the cheese grater. And we're going to put them on top of either the paper plate or the paper that you have. So we'll be back with you in just a second after we do that. All right, Russell fam, so we are taking our crayon and our cheese grater and we are grading both of our colors.
it's a terrible noise.
It is, but when you get done grading, it should look super fun like this. So we'll be back in just a minute when we get done grading the green. All right, we are done grading, and what you do is you take your piece of paper and you kind of fold it a little bit and shake off the shavings onto the aluminum foil. That's why you need this paper or a paper plate. And you shake the green on here. You want to kind of put it in the middle, because what we're going to do is we're going to fold the aluminum foil in half. And we're going to turn the edges up just a little bit so it doesn't come out like that. And we'll do the same with our pink.
Hey Mom, so would you recommend this for other people?
Yes, it is very fun because we are learning about the different parts of a rock cycle. All right, Bailey, so you're going to come over here. All right, now Bailey is going to hammer the aluminum foil gently. Be sure to hammer the entire area of the aluminum foil where the shavings are. So do it gently. We're going to do it for that one and then the other one. All right, that's probably good. Now try the other one.
I was just going to go all around to make sure.
Well, most of the shavings are in the middle and the bottom, so that's usually where you need to hit. And we are using our cutting board to hit on, so we're not hitting directly on our table.
It's a smart idea, people. Whoever invented the cutting board, very smart idea. Okay, I did both of them.
So you did both of those. So now we are going to carefully unfold the aluminum foil. Put it back on the cutting board.
So I'm gonna just carefully unfold it.
All right, keep opening it.
Whoa, it's like...
Whoa.
Now carefully peel what the shaving is off of the aluminum foil and look at it.
Peel all of it or just a little
Just the
bit?
stuff that's stuck together. Is it not coming off?
Oh, I got it.
All right, just you can get a piece or two. That's fine. Just feel what that feels like.
I can feel it.
Feels.
If y'all ever felt kinetic sand, that's kind of what it feels like.
All right, let me see. Move your hand back. There we go. See how it's all kind of smushed together? It's not fine like the other stuff was. All right, now put it back in the aluminum foil.
Can I do the other one?
All right, Russell fam, you need an adult to help you with this part. I'm gonna light the candle. Bailey has the tongs, Bailey has the tongs right here holding the aluminum foil, and this is where he smashed the color, and this is where he's gonna hold it over the fire for 60 seconds.
That sounds like a blowtorch.
It kind of did, didn't it?
It does.
All right.
Is it over the flame?
Yeah. No, it's not really flame. We had 2 little candles, so we'll see what happens. Just kind of move it back and forth just like that. May need to get a little closer.
How's
Not
that?
touching it, you just put it out.
That's
All
a
right.
powerful lighter.
Let me do this part so I can see what I'm doing.
I can't see what. Oh, now I get what you mean. Okay, that makes more sense. It's not getting burnt on the
Well, it's
bottom.
not going to burn. We're just trying to heat up the inside.
Oh, I bet it's gonna turn into like a little rock or something.
We'll have to see. All right.
I hear a noise.
It's the foil.
It's probably curling up because of the heat. That's what most heat does.
All right, so we're going to put this on our plate right here and let it cool off for a minute and do the next one. So now we're going to take this one and hold it over the flame and do the same thing.
I'm ready to see what it looks like on the inside.
Me too. I bet it's gonna look like a rock smushed.
I don't know, we just got to wait and see.
Well, we have several rocks, so we know what rocks look like.
Let's turn it over to this side.
We have a rock thingy.
Rock bed. Tell us in the comments below if you guys know what it's gonna do.
I bet it's gotta be smushed.
I don't know, we got to wait and see. All right, I don't know if I did that exactly. All right, blow out the candle for me. All right, we're going to put this one right
Yeah, the
here.
smoke stinks.
Yeah, we're going to move this candle over here. So now, it's still a little hot, but be careful. Open it up.
Me?
Yes.
Trying to undo the edges first.
And let's see what it looks like on the inside.
It's hardened, I think.
Yep, look, it's
Can I touch it?
maybe a little hot. No, it's hard now. You'll see it?
It's a little bit hot, but not that much.
All right, let's open the pink one and see what it looks like.
Well, the pink one probably got a little more heat.
It might have. Let's see.
Oh, the wax melted.
Oh, look at it.
Yeah.
That could be careful. It's kind of warm.
See, it all melted back together, kind of like a crayon. All right, so what we learned. So we have learned the cycle of a rock. So thanks for joining us for this experiment. If you want to see us do some more experiments, leave us some comments below.
Don't forget to,
Smash that like button and subscribe.
and don't forget to get off video